Geobyte.
My dear children, welcome to Geobyte. Our next topic, profit and loss. Very interesting topic. Okay, we are going to the topic. Before going that, from the profit and loss, we got one question. We have very less topics. Each and every topic also one question guarantee. Okay, very basic level questions. Multiplication is important. Calculation part. Okay, children, look at profit and loss. Profit and loss. Profit and loss depends upon the two terminology, cost price, selling price. Suppose cost price, you are purchasing one item at 20 rupee. Selling price, so you sold at 30 rupee. You are purchasing at 20 rupee, selling at 30 rupee. So you got profit or loss. Easily you are identify you got a profit. Okay, so cost price is 20, selling price is 30, so you got a profit. That means simply logic, cost price is less than, observe the point, cost price is less than selling price, we got profit. Suppose cost price and selling price, you are purchasing an item at 20 rupee but you sold at 15 rupee. You purchased at 20 rupee and sold at 15 rupee. Okay, so profit or loss you are getting generally, your investment is 20, you sold at 115 rupees, so you got a loss. You know, as a concept wise, cost price is greater than selling price. Then we got loss. Okay, as a logic wise, cost price is less than selling price, we got profit. If selling price is less than cost price, we got loss. Same information, okay, same information, but I write like this. Cost price more means cost price more, selling price less, so we got loss. Cost price less, selling price more, we got profit. Okay, first point, profit percentage and loss percentage. So profit percentage or loss percentage, so we are getting a profit or loss, what it may be, that okay, we are getting a profit or loss, what it may be. Suppose if you are getting profit, that is compare with the cost price only. Suppose you are getting the loss, again compare with the cost price only. Observe here, cost price 100, first you sold at 110, so what is your profit? 10 rupee. Now this 10 is compared with this 100. Okay, suppose same 100 you sold at 80, how much loss? 20. Again you are compared with this 100 only. Okay, so in the profit percentage and loss percentage, we are getting profit or loss, what it may be. The denominator always cost price, denominator always cost price. Okay, so logic, profit percentage, profit by cost price into 100, loss percentage, loss by cost price into 100. Okay, now next, if cost price is given, you want selling price. Cost price is given, selling price. Okay children, here you remember one point, Cost price meaning you can assume as original. Is there any changes? That is selling price. Cost price means always equal to the 100%. Cost price always equal to the 100%. Okay, look at cost price always equal to the 100%. Cost price always equal to the 100%. Is there any changes? Is there any changes in the cost price, which is called selling price? Suppose the same information I write like this. Look at 100% is equal to CP. I want 1%. I want 1% means CP into 1 by 100. I want 10%. CP into 10 by 100. I want 60%. CP into 60 by 100. I want 100%. 100% means CP into not a 1, 100 by 100. 100% for our convenience. Suppose shopkeeper got 20% profit on CP. On CP means CP is actually 100. In a 100, 20% more means direct answer 120. 10% more means 110. 40% more means 140. 10% less meaning 90. With respect 100. Okay, children. So I want to 20% profit. So 100 plus 20 CP into 100 plus 20 by 100. Suppose 10% loss. 100 minus 10 CP into 100 minus 10 upon 100. In the same way, X percentage profit or loss, what it may be. 100 plus or minus X CP into 100 plus or minus X upon 100. Okay, na? This is called selling price. Selling price formula directly. Okay, na? With respect 100, this is formula proof. Okay, children, observe. You want selling price, cost price into 100 plus or minus X by 100. Suppose you are getting profit, then plus symbol. If you are getting a loss, then minus symbol. This is direct formula. Next. Suppose selling price is given, then you got cost price. Selling price is given means, look at here. Look at selling price CP into 100 plus or minus X by 100. In case if you are cross multiply here, selling price into 100 upon 100 plus X, that is formula. 100 plus or minus X. Got it, children? Okay. You want CP. CP means 100%. Numerator compulsory 100. Next. Where marketing price and selling price is given. Marketing price and selling price is given. Then what we do? Discount. Marketing price minus selling price. Discount percentage. Discount with respect market price into 100. Okay, now discount meaning this market price is now here. This market price work as a cost price. Discount means you got a loss as a shopkeeper. In profit and loss, you are the shopkeeper, not a customer. You are the shopkeeper. Okay, children. Discount. So market price minus selling price. Okay, you got a discount. Discount percentage. Discount to compare with market price into 100. Okay, children. Right. First question. All of the questions from the previous year questions. You remember first of all. our first videos, each and every question also last 4 or 5 years previous year questions, because you got a idea what kind of question is there in our examination. Okay, see, observe the first question. A fruit seller buys lemons at 2 for a rupee. 2 for a rupee, and sells them at 5 for 3 rupees. 5 for 3 rupees. Here I will explain 3 methods. As you wish, you can continue. Cost price. A fruit seller buys. Buys means cost price. 2 for 1 rupee. 2 lemon for 1 rupee. 1 lemon cost 1 by 2. Selling price of 5 lemon 3 rupee. 1 lemon selling price 3 by 5. Cost price 1 by 2, selling price 3 by 5. Which is the biggest? Which is the biggest? We know easily 3 by 5 is the biggest. Okay, top, observe in top. 1 by 2 value 0.5. 3 by 5 value 0.6. Okay, 0.6. So which is the biggest? Selling price is the biggest. Selling price biggest means we got profit. What is the profit now? What is the profit? Selling price 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2, cost price 1 by 2 into 100. Simplify. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 100. So numerator LCM 10, 6 minus 5 upon 1 by 2 into 100. After that 1 by 5 into 100 after simplification. So answer 20%. This is one method. Another method, 1 rupee 2. Suppose 3 rupees 6. But here 3 rupee 5. 5 lemons he sold. So 1 lemon is profit. Okay. So how many sold? 5. 1 by 5 into 100. So 20% profit. This is one method. Okay, children. Okay. Now, shortcut for the question. Shortcut. Observe. Observe the question. Cost price of A items B rupee. Selling price of C item. Same item. Lemon means same lemon. Any item. Pen means pen. Same item. D rupees. Then answer AD minus BC upon BC into 100. Suppose the result is a positive symbol, you got a profit. The result is a negative symbol, then you got loss. So present. Cost price of 2 lemons 1 rupee, 5 lemon 3 rupee. AD minus BC cross. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 upon BC. BC means 1 into 5. So 5 into 100. So 1 by 5 into 100. So what is the answer? 20%. Here we got 3 methods. This type of questions. Okay, children. Once again, I will explain original method. Two lemons cost price. Cost price of 2 lemon 1 rupee. 1 lemon 1 by 2. Selling price of 5 lemon 3 rupee. 1 lemon 3 by 5. So cost price is 1 by 2, selling price is 3 by 5. Which is the biggest? 3 by 5 is the biggest. So selling price more. Selling price more means we got profit. So profit, selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. This is the method. For a numerator, take LCM 10. 5 2 0 2 3 6 minus 5 upon 1 by 2 into 100. So 1 by 10, this fraction ulta, reciprocal. 2 by 1 into 100. So 2 5's cancel. 1 by 5 into 100. That is 20%. Answer, profit. Okay, students. This is the method. 3 methods.
Geobyte.